Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are comparing two of the most popular VPN out there, NordVPN and Surfshark. Both are big names in the VPN world, but if you are thinking to buy one, which one is better for you? So watch the video. I will break it down in simple word, the speed, feature, price, and what I personally think after using both. And don't forget, I have added links in the description to both of the VPNs so you can check the latest offers, discount and updates. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about the speed. I tested both of them on my home Wi-Fi. When I used NordVPN, the speed drop was super low, almost like I was not even using a VPN. I could stream in HD, even 4K on YouTube. Surfshark also was fast, but sometimes had little lags when switching server. Not a big deal, but not felt more stable for me. Now let's talk about security. Both use strong 256-bit encryption, that's military grade, and they both have no log policy, so they don't keep records of what you do online. But NordVPN has extra feature, like it has threat protection, so it blocks ad, tracking, and even malware. Surfshark has a similar thing called clean web, but I found Nord protection more reliable during my test. And next thing, if I talk about feature, then NordVPN gives you double VPN, which means your traffic goes through two servers for extra safety. It has also feature called meshnet, which lets you connect your own device together from anywhere. Surfshark lets you connect unlimited devices with one account. That's a big win if you want to protect all your gadgets and your families too. Price wise, Surfshark is cheaper, especially if you go for 2-year plan or even more value. So NordVPN cost a little higher, but it felt the extra feature and speed were worth it. If you want a powerful VPN with top-notch feature and extra protection and fast speed, then I should say NordVPN is for you. But if your budget is tight and you want good value with unlimited device support, then Surfshark is for you. You can check both using the link in the description to get a special deal. And sometimes Nord has 3 months free or Surfshark gives 80% off. So check that out in the description, and thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more beginner friendly videos. And I will see you in the next video.